Today I'm going to show you how to start motovlogging with 3 simple things for less than $300. You can get carried away with all sorts of fancy camera systems, microphone systems, and they'll all add to the quality of your motovlogging. But to get started, all you really need is those 3 simple things. So first, what you hopefully already have, a helmet. Specifically, you're going to want a full face or a modular helmet, something that's got a place for you to mount your camera, which of course is the second thing you're going to need. Some sort of action camera that can be mounted on your helmet. I have here the DJI Action 4. I'll put some clips in the video here so you can see the audio and the camera quality. And you'll need some sort of mounting attachment to affix the camera to the helmet. In my case, I don't always record while I ride. So I like the option to remove the camera and the mount. So I have this temporary strap-on mount, which also I can remove, and then it lets me use the vents on my helmet. In terms of microphone, I just use the built-in microphone on the DJI. It picks up a little bit of wind noise, and the voice is not the most clear, but for a beginning motovlogger, you can get by using just the internal microphone. Then if you decide you actually like it and want to continue, you can upgrade to something a little fancier. But this is really the basics of all you need. And to prove it, I'm going to attach a couple clips here at the end to let you hear some of the sound quality and the picture quality from one of my recent rides. If you're interested in the full video, I'll also attach the full video at the end of this video, so you can take a look at that as well. But just don't overthink it, don't overspend, get out there and start recording. I'll put the link to all of these things down in the description in case you're interested. But let's not worry about that too much, and let's go ahead and get on the road to San Gregorio. One cool thing about the Speed 400 is it doesn't make you go into neutral in order to start. You can start in gear as long as you pull the clutch in, which I kind of like.